Oh, hey. Just hanging out here. With a blizzard. 98, 99, 100. Woo! What's up, guys? Welcome to the blizzard of 16. And obviously, we got like a foot plus of snow out here, so we're not making it to the gym today. So what do we gotta do? We gotta get on the Zelkatrain. Have a little in-home ab workout. You know what I mean? So here we go. What's that over there? What the heck is that? Oh my God. All right, guys. Here we go. First round. All in plank position. We're going plank to push-ups. Everything is 10. 10 reps. We're keeping it simple. So we're going plank to push-up 10 times. Up, push up, and rotate. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Really hitting the core, shoulders, arms. 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Rest just a few seconds, catch your breath, and you're on to the next exercise. So we're going push-up position, and we're just reaching for the shins 10 times. Reach back. 2, 3. Use those core muscles. 4, 5. Good. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Catch your breath. Woo! Feeling it, yeah? All right. Next one. Cross your body, touch your toes. Touch each side. Touch. 10 on each. 2, 3, 4, 5. Burn. I'm feeling it. 5, 6 pack, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! All right. Next round, you're going to be on your back for these. We're starting with 10 toe touches. On your back, legs up, reach up for the toes, over your head. 2. Those upper abs here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Next 10, leg raises up and down. Up, right above the ground. 2. And those lower abs. 3, 4, 5, 6 pack, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now we're combining the two. We're doing the V-ups. So we're going to come up and extend back. Hitting a little bit of everything here. 3. Come on, guys. Pumping it up in a blizzard. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. My shit's burning. All right. Next round is all obliques. We're starting with the jumping pistons. Push up position, side to side, 10 each. Jump. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Woo! 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! All right, the next one, you'll get your tortoise. Where's the tortoise at? Where's the tortoise? Tortoise. We lost our tortoise. All right, anyway, we'll have to find our tortoise in a second, but side planks, elbow down to the hand, and then come up. 1, and up. 2, and up. 3, and up. 4, and up. 5. Hitting those obliques, guys. 6, those love handles, right? 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Flip it over. Got to work both sides, right? Elbow to the hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There it is. All right, where's the tortoise at? Do we know? We have a situation here. Because we lost our tortoise. How do you lose a tortoise? Oh, there he is. He was doing the thigh master back there. All right, here we go. We're doing tortoise twist on the ground, side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got to involve your pets, guys. Very important. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, buddy. Woo! All right, here's the last round here. Round 4. We're starting with 10 hand walkouts. Down to the ground, walk all the way out. As far as you can, walk back. 1. Really stretching those abs out. 2. Working the shoulders. 4. Keep it up. 5. Are we feeling it? Are we feeling the burn? Come on. 6. 7. Reach out. Get out far. Challenge yourself. 8. 2 more. Woo! 9. 1 more. All the way out. Really stretch it. Really stretch it. Bring it back. Nice. Woo! 10. Next, we're doing the Jupermans. Down on your belly. Up. Hold for 2. And down. Up. And down. Up. And down. Gotta hit those lower back muscles, right, guys? Up. And down. Up. And down. Up. And down. 6. Up. And down. 7. Come on. And down. 8. Up. And down. 1 more. Up. And down. Good. And the last one, we're flying. We're flying. 10 seconds as fast as you can. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Man. There you go, guys. What an ab workout. And what ab workout would not be complete without a little snow dive finisher, right? Come on, it's a blizzard out there. Woo! Finisher time, here we go. Woo! All right, here we go. I feel so good. I'm in Hawaii right now. Yeah, that's it. Woo! Dude! Go crush it.